How to customize your profile. In the left-hand menu, click on My Profile. A screen will appear displaying all your information. You can view and update your personal details except for your first name, last name, and email address, which cannot be changed. However, you can update your full address, building number, apartment number, street name, city, country, province, postal code, your phone number, and your profile picture. The red stars indicate required fields that must be completed before you can save your changes. Once you have made the necessary updates, click Submit to confirm the changes. You can also access your profile from the top right corner by clicking on your first and last name. Finally, each module of the platform includes an explanatory video, accessible directly within the interface, to guide you step by step and help you quickly understand how each section works. Some information used in this demonstration is not real and is provided for example purposes only.